kitty. Hello, hello. Welcome. Oh my god, look at that cat. So beautiful. Oh, look at his hair. Look at his black fur. Hello. Hello, hello. Good afternoon from BGC Manila once more. So these are my final days here and I feel like I didn't see BGC properly. So I came back. I only had one walk here on Christmas Day, I think. And it was really busy. So I thought, let's come here and explore more. So I'm mainly here because I am in desperate need of a haircut. So I know where I'm going, but before that, I want to check out this mall called One Bonifacio. What? My God! Someone needs to see a doctor. Oh, he's so loud. So, first I'm gonna go to this mall called One Bonifacio Mall, which has the first and I think the only 3D billboard in Manila, just like Japan. Does this one have a cat as well? Let's check it out. Okay, looks like it's this one. So what we're gonna do is first see the 3D monitor. Is that what it's called? 3D billboard, sorry. What a pretty cafe. So pretty. Is it this one? And there is one on this side. It's not the same one. Okay, I don't see anything special about this. Can you see anything special about this? Still waiting. And waiting. And waiting. I'll show you around. It's pretty. Oh, he's so cute. I saw him in bowl. Oh, okay. Let's have a quick look inside the mall. Then we'll go for a haircut. Gentle monster. You see there is like a big statue. Oh wow. Okay. That's like the shortest escalator ever. Okay, it's not very big compared to the other malls we saw. Oh look, I found that place with 50 plus trees. You remember? I actually counted them the first time I came here. I can't believe they're still there. Oh my God. In some cultures they believe that if after January, I think 13th of January, if you still have the Christmas decor up, it brings bad luck. I don't think they believe that here. Because I think almost all the Christmas decorations are still there. Everything is there. Those trees were there. Oh, okay, they're not really Christmas decorations, but the trees. The 300-400 trees. That's lovely. The city would look so vibrant like half of the year. Okay, I think I'm here. I will see you in a while. With a new hairstyle. Maybe very ugly, maybe very nice, maybe just okay. Oh wow, there's a pineapple in there. It looks so real. And there's a cat in there. It looks so cute. Hello, cutie. Look at the pineapple. Why is the pineapple there? Sorry, can someone tell me, please? What is the point of that pineapple? What say, guys? Oh wow. I feel so light. I feel like I lost 2 kgs. So, oh my god, I only paid 500 peso for that haircut, which is around $12. In Melbourne, I paid 75 for the exact same thing. Oh my god. Okay, so one of the viewers said they love going to this mall in BGC, which is called Misokoshi. Let's go see. I've heard it's a Japanese style mall. I think I only went according to the list like in the first week, because after that I posted my first video from the Philippines, and all the lovely viewers just kept giving me ideas on where to go, what to eat, what to do. It was lovely. Yeah, it was absolutely lovely. I wasn't expecting it. Keep supporting my channel, keep giving love. I read everyone's comments and I try to answer everyone. Either answer or give a reaction, but I've read all the comments so far. Okay, keep walking. Mother Care. That's such an old shop. I didn't know it was still going. Like my mom used to buy me things when I was a baby. It's like that old. It's vintage. That's a fun bench. But why is there only one? There's like none on that side. None on that side. There's just like one. Oh wow. I did make a video here earlier on Christmas Day. If you like to watch it, it's I'll pin the whole Philippine series. It's a playlist at the end of this video, so that will be in it. I think it's the first or second one. It's called Christmas in BGC. Oh wow, look at that building. It's so interesting. It's not very high, but it's an interesting design. I think those are balconies, aren't they? They have railings. Central Square. Oh, beautiful. So guys, while we're walking, let's do a walk-in talk. Ignore the noise. So tomorrow, I'm going back home. It was an absolutely amazing month. I loved everything I saw, everything I ate, everything I experienced. It was very nice. My overall thoughts of Philippines, what a lovely country. But unfortunately, I feel it is extremely underrated in terms of tourism. I hardly saw any foreign tourists here. Like most places I went to. Maybe in Bohol I saw a few, but nothing in compared to like other Asian countries. It's definitely the most underrated Asian country I've ever been to. But these days there's like so many YouTube videos and channels and reels and everything. I don't know how. I don't know why people are not coming here. It has everything. Beaches, modern cities, good food, lovely, lovely people. And it's very obvious that they love tourists as well. Oh, so nice. Oh, I found it. I think it's that one. So, it's Mitsukoshi. It's a Japanese style mall. I am Mitsuko, Kokeshi doll who traveled to Manila all the way from Japan, seasoned resident in my home. Oh, cute. Oh, they're so pretty. Such a cool thing to do. A Japanese style mall. I like that. I don't recognize any of the brands here, apart from like very few. I think they are actually mostly famous brands of Japan. I know that bear. Oh, so nicely lit. Oh, there's a water show happening there. Let's see if we can reach before it stops. Looks beautiful. Come on. Wow, it's like water and fire. So beautiful.
Be on your own pace.